We will teach you about yoga exercises for stomach flattening, best poses for belly fat, which will be very helpful for you. 2019 is the time to begin working on your hot summer body. Some people see gym workouts the best way to burn that excess belly fat. We at Brightside think that these 15 yoga exercises, asanas, can simply become your brand new favorite training technique. 15 Best Yoga Exercises for Stomach Flattening, Poses for Belly Fat, Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose, How to Perform. Lie face down, spread your arms on the carpet, stretch your legs back and gradually elevate your upper body. Make sure your pubis and toes form a straight line and reach the carpet. Keep this position for 25 to 30 seconds. Ustrasana, Camel Pose, How to Perform. Kneel on the carpet, arch your back, touch and then keep your heels with your hands. Keep this pose for up to 1 minute. Vasisthasana, Side Plank Pose, How to Perform. Perform after the downward facing dog pose. Move to your left or right foot, bend your body accordingly either to the right or left side. Expand the opposite arm in the air. Keep this pose for 15 to 30 seconds. Return to the downward facing dog pose. Paschimottanasana, Seated Forward Bend Pose, How to Perform. Work after Sukhasana or Padmasana. Recommended, stretch your body towards your feet as you breathe. Need to hug your feet with your hands. Keep this position for up to 1 minute. Best yoga exercises for stomach flattening, Savasana, Corpse Pose. This is a relaxation pose that should be done every 30 minutes of your sitting. Despite its plain appearance, it is considered to be the most difficult pose. To do it perfectly, you need to be able to completely relax your body. Parivarta Parsvakonasana, Revolved Side Angle Pose. This pose assists to strengthen your abdominal core muscles. How to perform. Kneel into a praying position. Stand on one knee and turn it at 90-degree angle. Stretch your one leg and keep balance on your toes. Tilt your body to the side. You may face forward for a good stability. Keep this pose for up to 30 seconds. Kumbhakasana, Plank Pose. The plank pose is the most popular by fitness trainers since it assists strengthen not only the arms and legs but the abdominal muscles, as well. How to perform. Lie face down, lift your body onto straightened arms. The balance on your toes, face forward or down. Stay for as long as you can, get a break and then repeat a few more times. Strive to extend the time in this pose each day. Paripurna Navasana, Boat Pose. The boat pose will work your abdominal muscles, as it cannot be performed accurately without engaging your abs. How to perform. Lie face down, straighten and lift your legs. Lift your body gradually. Stretch your arms by growing the sides of the boat. Keep this pose for up to 60 seconds. Best yoga exercises for stomach flattening, Ekapada Adho Mukha Svanasana, One-legged downward facing dog pose. The downward facing dog pose can assist you to learn to balance your body and can also assist strengthen your abs. How to perform. Go into the downward facing dog pose. Straighten one leg and lift it up. Lower the straightened leg below your abs. Repeat this movement for 10 times for each leg, then relax. Vrksasana, Tree Pose. The tree pose is another balancing pose that increases your abdominal muscles. It is also great for meditation. How to perform. Stand up and fix your right foot on the inside of your left hip. Fix your arms into a praying position. Smile. You need to keep the pose for up to 1 minute. Dhanurasana, Bow Pose. The bow pose may look simple to do, but it is the abs that do all the job, which is accurately what you require to strengthen them. How to perform. Lie face down, lift both your hands and feet. Hug your feet with your hands. Keep this pose for up to 30 seconds, slowly increasing to 90 seconds. Bhaitalasana, Cow Pose. Both the cow pose and the cat pose work on building your abs as hard as steel. How to perform. Kneel on the mat, straighten your arms and put your upper body weight on them. Turn your spine up for the cat pose. Drive your spine down for the cow pose. Grip for up to 30 seconds. Ardha Parvattanasana, Reverse Tabletop Pose. This is an active pose that makes the abs achieve harder to balance your body. How to perform. Sit on the carpet with your feet flat and your knees bent. Fix your arms slightly behind your back. Lift your body so that your head and your knees form a straight line. Keep this pose for up to 30 seconds. Best yoga exercises for stomach flattening, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Downward Facing Dog Pose. This pose is one of the sun salutation poses. It assists to both balance the body and run the abs. How to perform. Apply your hands and legs to come onto the floor. Elevate your bottom to form a 90-degree angle with your entire body. Keep this pose for up to 3 minutes. Tadasana, Mountain Pose. This is a warm-up pose. Apply it before you start. Do not forget to like this video and must subscribe to our channel as well.